research suggests it's the quality of the food we eat, not whether it's low carb or low fat, that determines our overall health and maybe even weight loss. This means eating lots of whole, less processed foods and doing more cooking at home. All of which sounds great unless you're the cook and the grocery shopper. Hi, I'm Carolyn Williams, award-winning dietitian and lead nutritionist for CookingLikeDiet.com. I'm going to tell you today how meal prep can simplify your life.
I think the biggest way the Cooking Light Diet helps us save money is the planning. I know what I'm going to make, so I don't impulse buy when I go to the grocery store. We don't waste typically because it's easy to, if you have to buy one green, it's easy to use that green for other recipes, make substitutions instead of wasting or buying more than you need. And this has really reduced the time I spend in the kitchen and definitely reduced the time I spend stressing about food.
Here are some tips to make meal prep simple. Number one, get a plan. The first thing I do is sit down on a Saturday or a Sunday and think through my week. I find a few favorite dinners, think through lunch boxes and lunches, add a few fruits and vegetables in, and then see what else I need to buy from the grocery and make a grocery list. Half the battle is just having a plan. Number two, find 30 minutes to prep. Once I've done my grocery shopping, I find 30 minutes or several 15-minute blocks where I can just get in my kitchen and cook and prep. I might cook a whole grain, cook a lean protein, cut up vegetables, pre-portion snacks or fruits, just anything I can do to help the week run more smoothly. Number three, utilize supermarket shortcuts. One of my favorite things to rely on is a rotisserie chicken for some quick protein. Throw together a chicken salad or a quick dish. But I also buy bagged lettuce, minced jarred garlic, a good tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce in a jar. Any shortcuts like that can help cut down on meal prep. Number four, make meal prep work for you. There's no right or wrong way to meal prep, and meal prep doesn't have to mean cooking whole meals. For example, for me, it usually means making some key ingredients, cooking a whole grain, a lean protein, having those ingredients ready for dinner, as well as assembling some lunches so that I have them ready to go during the week. Also, don't forget about leftovers. When you make a dish that you really love, consider doubling it so that you have it to eat later in the week and don't have to cook. Taking just a few minutes to meal prep each week can make healthy eating so much easier. From the Cooking Light Diet Test Kitchens, I'm Carolyn Williams.